ang barangay certificate po is not a proof of ownership. Ano ba yung barangay certificate yan? Baka sinasabi lang doon na yung holder nito ay naka-residence doon sa kanilang sa barangay nila. So the best thing that you should do to in the observance of the required due diligence is you get in touch with the seller. You demand proof of ownership. Ano yon? Like the tax declaration certificate, no? Or the title, if the title is if the property is already titled, then you have to verify these documents, no? If it is titled, you could make representation with the Register of Deeds to issue a certified true copy of the title. Or if it's not titled, then you can go to the assessor's office and ask for a certified true copy of the tax declaration certificate and compare this, no, with the photocopy that the seller will show to you. Okay, if this tally, then more or less the property is legit, and of course you have to be sure also, no, if the seller is indeed the property, the name that is shown in the title or in the tax declaration certificate ay yun din ang pangalan na nagbebenta sa inyo. And of course, nagkaroon kayo ng inspection sa property, nag-interview ka ng mga barangay official doon at mapapatunayan ninyo na yung nagbenta sa inyo ay talaga siya yung may-ari. At kung wala bang squatter doon, hindi ba magulo, hindi ba nagbabaha doon, no? At kung hindi ba kayo magkakaroon ng problema kung ito ay bibili ninyo. Yan po ang basic ninyong gawin, no? At of course, i-check ninyo kung walang arrears, no, doon sa property tax niya. And of course, kung wala bang kaso yung lupa. At ito makikita nyo doon sa titulo o kaya sa tax declaration certificate. Lamang na kayo pag may alam sa batas.